Osho on richness. Osho says that richness does not mean only wealth or money. Richness is a multi-dimensional phenomenon. A poet may be poor, but he has a sensitivity that no money can purchase. He is richer than any rich man. A musician may not be rich, but as far as his music is concerned, no wealth is richer than his music. To me, the rich man is one who has sensitivity, creativity, receptivity. The man of wealth is only one of the dimensions. According to me, the man of wealth is also a creative artist. He creates wealth. So, when I accepted the definition, my meaning was richness in any dimension. Only a rich being can have some connection with me. A certain sensitivity is absolutely needed. A certain vision is needed. Richness has nothing to do with possessions. It has something to do with how you live, the quality of your life, the music of your life, the poetry of your life. And all these things happen only through meditation. There has never been any other way. There is none and there will never be. Inner richness means having a great heart. Not only a big house, but a great heart. Inner richness implies having an expanded vision. Inner richness means having not only outer wealth but inner wealth too. Until someone attains inner wealth and the inner kingdom, his outer affluence, outer wealth, and outer kingdom have no value. There are many kinds of richness, and the man who is rich because of money is the lowest as far as the categories of richness are concerned. Let me say it in this way: the man of wealth is the poorest rich man. Looked at from the side of the poor, he is the richest poor man. Looked at from the side of a creative artist, of a dancer, of a musician, of a scientist. He is the poorest rich man. And as far as the world of ultimate awakening is concerned, he cannot even be called rich. Meditation will make you ultimately rich by giving you the world of your innermost being, and also relatively rich because it will release your powers of mind into certain talents that you have. I am not a one sided person. I am neither for the inner nor for the outer. I am for both together. One has to be rich inside, and one has to be rich outside too. Richness is beautiful. Outer richness is beautiful just as inner richness is beautiful. Nothing is wrong in creating money. Poverty is not something to be praised. It is something to be condemned, totally condemned. It is like cancer. It has to be destroyed. No respect should be given to it because that is nourishment. It should not be praised in any direct or indirect way because that is how it has been prolonged in the past. Use money, but never be greedy. As a means, money is perfectly good. It is a great means of exchange, very utilitarian. Use it, but don't be used by it. Possess it, but don't be possessed by it. Remain the master. I am not against money. I am against money mindedness. I am not against possessions. I am against possessiveness. And these are two totally different dimensions, diametrically opposite to each other. To be against money is stupid. Money is a beautiful means, a means of exchange. Without money, there cannot be an evolved culture, society, or civilization. I respect richness in all its aspects, even the material richness, because that helps you to go towards spiritual richness. I don't praise poverty in any way, neither outer nor inner. I am all for richness. Be rich materially, so that one day you are finished with that dream and your energies can move unhindered towards inner richness. Yes, the inner world is the kingdom of God. It is a kingdom you have to become kings, emperors. Unless you have become a god in your innermost kingdom, you will remain unfulfilled.